Hello there. If you're getting ready for your 2026 engineering admissions, you've come to the right place. Today, we are taking a close look at M.A.M. College of Engineering and Technology, located in Tiruchirappalli. And here's a number you'll want to remember. Their TNEA code is 3829.
So, what's the first thing you need to know about this college? Well, let's cut right to the chase. Two things really jump out. First, it has 3 BE programs that are accredited by the National Board of Accreditation. That's a huge stamp of quality. And second, it's got a startup incubator that's actually backed by the Tamil Nadu government. That tells you there's a serious focus on innovation here.
All right, so first, let's get a feel for the college itself. Its background and its basic identity.
MAMCET is a self-financing institution, and it has a Muslim minority status. It's been around since 2008, located in Srirangam near Trichy, and it's affiliated with NA University in Chennai. Now, for parents and students, this next part is absolutely crucial. Admissions are done through TNEA counseling, and a full 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota.
The college was brought to life by the Maluk Educational Health and Charitable Trust, which is spearheaded by its chairman, Dr. M.A. Maluk Mohammed.
Okay, next up is something that's a really big deal when you're choosing a college: the official approvals and accreditations. This is all about quality control. First things first, you'll be glad to know the college has the green light from the All India Council for Technical Education, or AICTE, for the upcoming academic year. You can think of this as the basic license to operate for any engineering college in the country. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. The college has that NBA accreditation we mentioned earlier. This is a very strong signal of a high-quality program. Specifically, 3 branches. That's electrical and electronics and communication, and information technology are all accredited. And get this, that status is valid all the way until June 2027.
So, what can you actually study here? Let's dive into the different engineering programs that are on offer for the 2026 admissions.
Okay, so the college offers a total of 7 undergraduate engineering programs. You've got your classic foundational branches like civil, mechanical, EEE, and ECE. And of course, you have the popular computer-related streams, including one that's in very high demand right now. And yup, that's the B.Tech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. The college started this program back in 2022, which really shows they're keeping up with what the industry is looking for.
Across all 7 of these branches, the total number of seats available through TNA counseling is 420. So that gives you a pretty clear idea of the size of the student intake each year.
Now, what about the people who'll be teaching you? Well, according to the college's own data, about half of the faculty members have a PhD. That really points to a strong commitment to academic expertise. And now, for the question that's on every parent's mind. What about placements? What are the career outcomes after 4 years of study? In the data it submitted to TNEA for the year 2025, the college actually reported a placement figure of 100%. This really suggests a very strong focus on getting students ready for the professional world. And where are these students heading? Well, the list of recruiters is pretty solid. You see a great mix of IT services giants like TCS, Wipro, and Capgemini, alongside major core engineering and manufacturing companies like TBS, Foxconn, Siemens, and Danfoss. But a good education is about more than just the final placement. So let's take a look at what MAMCET is doing when it comes to research, innovation, and other special achievements. Now, this right here is a really big deal. The college was handpicked by the government of Tamil Nadu's Startup TN program to host a pre-incubation center. Think about that. Out of all the colleges in the entire state, it's one of just 39 to get this recognition. That's a massive vote of confidence in its entrepreneurial spirit. And if you look a little closer, you'll find that this incubator, it's called the Master Incubation Center, was actually developed in partnership with the incubation cell at IIT Madras. That's a fantastic connection to have with one of the top engineering institutes in the country. And the collaborations don't just end there. The college is also a remote center for IIT Bombay. It's a partner in the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan initiative. Plus, it has direct industry partnerships with big names like Infosys and Siemens. And on top of all that, its ECE department is officially recognized by Anna University as a research center, which means it can offer PhD programs. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about the practical side of things. What about campus life? Hostels, transport, and financial aid?
The college offers separate, dedicated hostels for both boys and girls. And, importantly, the mess provides both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. For students who commute, there's a pretty wide transport network, with more than 10 bus routes that cover places like Trichy, Perambalur, and Aryalur.
When it comes to financial support, students can tap into several Government of Tamil Nadu schemes, like the First Graduate and Pudhumai Pen scholarships. There are also community-based scholarships available. On top of that, there's the AICTE Pragati Scholarship from the central government for girl students, and even the college's own award called the Master Merit Scholarship.
So, as we wrap up, just a quick note. All the information we've shared today is based on data we've gathered from the college's official website and government portals as of March 2026. It's always a good idea to double-check for the very latest updates before making your final choice. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.